Hey everybody, this is Connie with the Artisan Company. Welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as promised, we're going to show you a little blurb of what someone has done with the rub and buff that we did a few weeks ago. My friend Michal up in Canada sent me some photos of, she said she had a necklace that was just pitiful. And she said, I wanted to try that with that. So she did. And wow, what a difference. Let's go look at it. Okay, so here is her piece of jewelry. You can see it's just a basic, looks like maybe a 1980s. Medallion's kind of rusty looking, so she's getting ready to transform this puppy into something amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the medallion actually looks like old world. It's wow, wow, what a difference. And the glass beads, everything. She's done everything on it. Let's look at this next one here. She used the antique gold rub and buff, and wow, what an amazing change. That looks like a totally different necklace. The medallion is amazing. Wow, wow, great job. Okay, so her necklace looked totally different. It looked like she found a pot of gold, like from a shipwreck or something. Totally changed the look of the necklace. I was stunned at how different it looked. So good job, McCall. Keep up the good work. Someone else sent me a message and said, hey, I used that on my railing on my porch and loved it. So who knows? I would have never thought to put rub and buff on a railing on a porch, but yeah. So, what I want to do, since everyone's commenting on things like this, I want to give everyone an invitation to send me some pictures of what you're doing. I would love to show everyone on my channel what everybody's doing. It would be fabulous and fun. Any kind of necklace or bracelet or earrings or anything that you've done where you've gotten some inspiration from one of the projects on the channel. And we'll feature those every month. It will be so much fun, and I would look forward to it because I just so want to see what you guys are doing. So send your pictures to Connie dot theartisanlife at gmail.com. Connie.theartisanlife at gmail.com. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys are doing. So, yeah, y'all have a fantabulous rest of your day. Bye.